Still broke, even though you hustle hard. You are not lazy, but you might be making these 5 money mistakes that keep millions in a financial trap. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, despite working long hours and trying your best to make ends meet? The truth is, many of us are unknowingly sabotaging our financial future with common money mistakes. But don't worry, because today we're going to uncover these hidden traps and show you exactly how to fix them. Let's dive into the 5 money mistakes that might be keeping you broke, and more importantly, how to turn things around starting right now. Mistake number 1, living without a budget. It's a classic blunder that countless people make, and it's costing you big time. Think about it. If you don't have a clear plan for where your money should go, how can you expect it to work for you? It's like trying to navigate a ship without a map or compass. You might stay afloat for a while, but eventually you'll find yourself lost at sea. The fix is simpler than you might think. Start by tracking your expenses with free apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a basic Google Sheet. You don't need anything fancy to get started. The key is to know exactly where your money is going each month. Once you have that information, you can make informed decisions about your spending and start allocating your funds more effectively. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving yourself the power to spend on what truly matters to you. So take control of your finances by creating a simple weekly or monthly budget today. Moving on to mistake number 2, lifestyle inflation. This sneaky culprit is the reason why so many people find themselves broke, even after getting a raise or landing a better paying job. Here's how it typically goes down. You get that well-deserved pay bump, and suddenly you're upgrading your phone, eating out more often, or splurging on that designer bag you've been eyeing. Before you know it, your expenses have risen to match or even exceed your new income. The fix? When you get a raise, challenge yourself to upgrade your savings rate instead of your lifestyle. Try this. Allocate at least 50% of your raise to savings or investments. This way, you're still allowing yourself some room for improvement in your day-to-day life, but you're also setting yourself up for long-term financial success. Visualize it like this. Your income is a pie, and with each raise, that pie gets bigger. Instead of just cutting bigger slices for your expenses, make sure you're increasing the slice that goes towards your future self. Your future self will thank you for it. Now let's talk about mistake number 3, relying solely on one income stream. In today's unpredictable economy, putting all your eggs in one basket is a risky move. Depending entirely on your 9-to-5 job makes you financially vulnerable. What happens if you suddenly lose that job, or if your industry takes a hit? The solution is to diversify your income sources. Start building at least one extra income stream this year. It doesn't have to be anything massive right away. Consider freelancing in your spare time, exploring affiliate marketing opportunities, or selling digital products like templates or ebooks. The goal is to create a financial safety net that can catch you if your main income source falters. Think of it like this. If your main job is the foundation of your financial house, additional income streams are the support beams that keep everything sturdy, even in tough times. So challenge yourself to explore new ways to earn. Who knows? Your side hustle today could become your main gig tomorrow. Mistake number 4 is a common trap many fall into, using credit for wants, not needs. Credit cards can be incredibly useful tools when used wisely. But swiping that plastic for every impulse purchase or unnecessary expense is a fast track to financial trouble. Before you know it, you're drowning in high-interest debt, all for things you probably didn't really need in the first place. The fix here is simple, but it requires discipline. Make a pact with yourself to only use credit for planned, budgeted purchases. Treat your credit card like it's a debit card. If you don't have the cash to back up the purchase, don't swipe. This approach helps you avoid accumulating debt while still allowing you to build your credit score responsibly. Remember, every time you use your credit card for a non-essential purchase, you're essentially borrowing from your future self. Ask yourself, is this purchase worth paying interest on? Is it worth the stress of an increasing balance? By being more mindful about your credit usage, you can keep your finances healthy and your stress levels low. Last but certainly not least, we come to mistake number 5, neglecting financial education. This is perhaps the most crucial mistake of all, because it underlies all the others. If you don't understand how money works, how can you expect to make it work for you? The harsh reality is that most schools don't teach personal finance, but that doesn't mean you're off the hook. In today's world, there's no excuse for not educating yourself about money. The fix is straightforward. Commit to ongoing financial learning. Set a goal to read one finance book per month or watch one educational video daily. There are countless resources out there, from classic books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad and The Millionaire Next Door, to YouTube channels and podcasts dedicated to personal finance. Think of financial education as a form of self-care. Just like you might work out to keep your body healthy, you need to exercise your financial muscles regularly. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart money decisions and avoid the pitfalls that keep so many people broke. Now, let's wrap this up with a call to action. If you've recognized yourself in any of these mistakes, don't beat yourself up. Awareness is the first step towards change. Today is the day to take control of your financial future. Start by implementing just one of these fixes. Whether it's creating a basic budget, increasing your savings rate, or committing to daily financial learning. Remember, financial freedom isn't about having all the money in the world. It's about having control over your money and making it work for you, rather than the other way around. It's about creating a life where you're not constantly stressed about bills or living paycheck to paycheck. If you found this information helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with friends and family who might benefit. And make sure to stay connected for more tips and strategies to build your financial future. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly smart money content. Together, we can break free from these common money mistakes and build the financial future we deserve. Here's to your success and to making money work for you, not against you. Let's get started on your journey to financial freedom today.